Hi, welcome to Tech Helpline channel, and this is a tutorial where I'm gonna show you how to hide location on BeReal App. To hide your location in your mobile device if you have previously allowed location sharing for the application. You can disable your location after taking a picture, but before you post it, here is how you can do it. Simply go to Tab, open BeReal App, and take your BeReal, tapping on the button at the bottom. In the photo preview, once you take your picture, find your location at the bottom right of the image and tap on location off in the pop-up. Now you can send your picture by tapping the send button with location turn off. That is how you can easily hide location on BeReal. Hope this video helped you. If it did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.